everyone. My name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Navle. My clinic, Deccan Dental Clinic, is located on FC Road in Pune. So today I'm going to talk about what food stuff you should eat with braces and what food stuff you can avoid with braces. First we'll talk about which food stuff is not suitable for braces or you should totally avoid it. First thing I'll like to tell you, there are three food stuff: hard, sticky and crunchy food stuff. So when I'm talking about hard food stuff, it contains bone piece, even some kind of laddus which are very hard. Second is sticky food stuff. Sticky food stuff includes all type of chocolates, chewing gums, even the other sticky things. Third will be crunchy food stuff. Crunchy food stuff will include like popcorns, nachos, even the papad and all. That food stuff you should avoid it. Okay, so these are the three food items you should totally cut down, like hard, sticky and crunchy food stuff. Now most of the patients ask me, like, I have habit of having dry fruits, so how I'm supposed to eat it because it is also hard. That is all right, but whatever food items you are taking regularly, you should not cut down those food items from your list. Okay, you should have those, but you have to modify them little bit, or you have to change the way you are eating them. Like suppose you have habit of eating some dry fruits, so do one thing: soak those dry fruits in the night, and morning you can make a smoothie and eat it, or you can make a powder of it, have it in a milk, so that you are taking your those calories. Okay, even most of the patients, they tell me like they have habit of eating fruits. You can have all type of fruits, like peru also you can have, guava and even the apples, but while taking those fruits, don't bite on whole apple, it will break your braces. Okay, so try to cut down all fruits into the small pieces. Even seeds are there, remove those seeds and then eat it. Okay, even you can make a fruit juice and drink it. Another thing I like to tell, like recently if we have placed the braces, you have to take one precaution for first 7 days to 15 days. Unless you get the clear-cut idea about the braces, how to eat with the braces, you should shift on to the semi-solid diet, which will be like dal rice, which will be totally soft, like idli sambar or whatever, but it should be like properly soft. There is no need of chewing that food stuff. If you do so, no, chances of breaking the braces will be minimized. Hope this video have helped you to analyze what food stuff you should eat and what you should totally avoid it. Guys, like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.